There's nothing more painful than needing something you're in business, going and reaching for it, and it not being there. It's not that it's misplaced. It's not there at all. Before I dive into exactly what I'm talking about, let me introduce myself. I'm Trip. I'm a decades-long marketer. I'm here to help you guys, the craft brewers, succeed. What I'm talking about right now could be a little controversial. You might take a little back, but I'm going to talk about a customer list. Do you have one? If you don't, that's a problem. It's a problem today because if you haven't looked for it today, you may need it tomorrow. You might need it in a week or a month down the road. But here's the thing. Establishing a relationship with your customer base is critical to your business. A customer list is the equivalence of gold. I once had a client. He was looking to run a promotion. Things were bad. He called me. He was on his last dollar. Called me. What can you do? What can we do? What can we do? Been in business for decades. You know what his customer list consisted of? A box or boxes of receipts with handwritten things on it. Essentially useless. Nothing we could do with it. Extracted a little bit, but couldn't make it work to the degree we could. Now, today, it's so easy for you to acquire a customer list and make a connection. One of the things I'm also going to be talking about what we call a third place, a customer list, which allows you to establish a greater relationship with your customer base. You want to build more what we call tier one customers. Those are people who are extremely loyal to you and frequently come into your business. Now, let me ask you, the more folks you have who are doing that, more folks who go out of their way and insist on drinking your products, that's how you're going to become more successful. And your customer list is one of those things that are going to help you get there. So give me a like, give me a follow, hang on here with me. We're going to dive deep into this, and I'm going to make sure you understand what the values are on a customer list, but most importantly, also how to accumulate them. And it's a lot easier than you think. And it literally is gold in your pocket.